Welcome back to the channel, the Studio Rays. What we have here is boys and their toys, and I have a new toy here for my house. I have the ECOVACS robot. All right, this is the 601 version. I have an earlier version, the N79, and I decided to pick this up because I had to take advantage of a sale that was happening. There was a promotion going. This unit goes for, at the time, was $239, and they had a promotion of $60 off this machine, so bringing the cost down to $179 and 99 cents. So I had to take advantage of this opportunity to pick up a second machine because I always wanted a second one for my second floor. And what's ideal, if you guys are Amazon members, you know if you use their card, you build reward points. And I had well enough reward points to cover this purchase. So I pretty much got this for free based on my award points of 179. So they sent it to me. I have it. I'm happy that I do have it. So we're going to do a quick unboxing to see what's in the box. All right. And again, I have the 79N older version. And if you've seen my other video, this thing does work. It picks up dirt. It doesn't eliminate cleaning altogether. All right. No machine does that. But if you just want some nice spot cleaning, if you have kids, which I do, and a pet, which I do, these machines are ideal. It helps keep your floors clean and keeps little things off that kids and pets and we drop on the floor. So I appreciate having this machine, and I can remember when these machines first came out, how expensive they were. They were up in like $300, $400, and at the time I could not afford that. All right, I couldn't see reason paying that much money. Now these days, so many other manufacturers out there, they're bringing good technology at affordable price. And again, when I picked this up, I got it pretty much free with my reward points for $179, and you can't beat that, at least in my opinion. So look, when you get this machine, as you can see, it's well packed. It comes in its own independent box. Actually, it's laid in two boxes. The other one I already took off earlier. It's coming in this egg crate, so it's well packed and well protected. Here you can see they give you a little cleaning brush. That's different from the first machine I bought. I didn't have this type of machine, or actually that brush for my machine. Here is the remote control to the unit. It's nice, slick. You know, I can see they refined the design, but definitely this remote control is definitely different from my previous remote control. This one is a more of a simpler design, almost like a Amazon controller. So let's take a look at this controller and compare it to the older one, or from the older model. Again, I have the Deebot N79, and this is the controller it came with. More buttons, has a little controller timer on there. So do I like the smaller one? I guess it is what it is. So, but that's the difference between the two. So what else do we have in here? We have, of course, the power pack. Cleaning brushes to go with it. Now I know, meaning note, when I bought the N79, they gave you 4 brushes. In this unit, they only give you 2. So they kind of went on the cheap side on that part, but you know, it is what it is. This is the base. Pretty much it compares. It's the same as from the N79. Works with infrared. You set this up underneath your table, and the unit will charge from this base here. So again, nothing too fancy, not very complicated. These machines are very simple to operate, very easy to set up. All right, you just pretty much take this base, put it on the floor, plug it in, and it's ready to go. Again, this unit is light. It's just plastic. Find a good location in your house. All right, put underneath a night table or underneath a bed or underneath a couch, so it's non-intrusive if you don't see it. Right now, I'm just gonna speed this up a bit, so this video's kind of getting long. But it's a nice looking machine. Again, I have the N79. This one is a little wider or thicker. All right, but pretty much the format is pretty much the same. The switch design is pretty much different. I'm gonna do a follow-up video comparing the two machines side by side, looking at them, so you guys get a look at it. That'll be on part 2 of this video. And guys, subscribe to the channel. Hit me, give me some comments what you're thinking about it. Again, this is just an overall review, unboxing on seeing what you get with this machine. And this is exactly all the parts you get. You get two brushes, you get the remote controller, they supply the battery, a little cleaner, and that's that, along with the charging station. So guys, again, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, make some comments, let me know what you think of this machine, and I follow up on the second one comparing the N79 and the 106, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Be safe out there, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, this is Boys and Their Toys, Studio Race. Have a good one.